Hey, I'm Robert Ferenczi, and in this video I would like to show you our new little handy add-on, the Object Loader. This add-on helps you to load an OBJ file with its texture map. In one single step, just select the OBJ and the texture, click open and you're done. And check this out. The OBJ file name and the texture file name can be completely different, still working. If you are working with a lot of photo scans or textured OBJs from web shops, for example, or just need to open textured OBJs frequently, this add-on will be your new best friend. And finally, just compare this new way with the old one. Open by Object Loader using its shortcut, select the files, click open and you're done. OBJ and texture loaded, material created, viewport changed to the look div mode. While the old way, import OBJ, select OBJ, open OBJ, go to the shader tab, click on coloring mode, click on image texture, select image texture, load image texture, change viewport shading to look div mode, for example. As you can see, my way is much more fun and less repetitive. This add-on worth its pretty low price. Please support us with your purchase and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Bye.